This is program in which incrementation as well as compilation is done through same statement. So the program is the program E main int I for I is equal to 0 I plus plus less than 10 printf %d slash n comma I. So here in this statement I plus plus less than 10, the incrementation as well as compilation is done. Since the plus plus operator comes after I, firstly the comparison is done. So since plus plus operator is coming after I, so so firstly the comparison is done followed by incrementation. Note that it is necessary to initialize I to 0. So initialization first is necessary. Main int I for I is equal to 0 plus plus I less than or equal to 10 printf %d slash n comma I. So in this program both comparison and incrementation is done through same statement, that is plus plus I is less than or equal to 10. So here the comparison element is adding, that is less than or equal to. So or equal to is comparison element, that is equality also, it is also added. Now nesting in loops. The way if statements can be nested, similarly whiles and fors can also be nested. So if and else are nested, we know that nested if else statements are there. Similarly whiles and fors, they can also be nested. So this is program for demonstration of nested loops. Main int r comma c comma sum. So r, c and sum are integers. Now for loop r is equal to 1, r is less than or equal to 3, r plus plus. So this is outer loop. Now inner loop for c is equal to 1, c is less than or equal to 2 and c plus plus. This is inner loop. So for is also nested here. Now sum is equal to r plus c printf. So we are adding r plus c. Printf r percent c r percent d, c is equal to percent d, sum is equal to percent d slash n r comma c comma sum. So this is program for nested if else statement, like for statement. That means for statements are nested here in nested loop. Multiple initializations in the for loop. The initialization expression of the for loop can contain more than one statement separated by comma. So multiple initializations in for loop. So for I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, j is less than or equal to 10, j plus plus. So this is expression for loop. It can contain more than one statement. Multiple statements can also be used in the incrementation expression for loop. So multiple statements can also be used in incrementation expression. However, only one expression is allowed in test expression. This expression may contain several conditions linked together using logical operators. So here along with I, j is also there. That means when I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2, j is less than or equal to 10, j plus plus. So here two variables are used now. That is I also and j is also used. So we can add multiple statements in this for loop also.